Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the network problems on this device. Simply go to settings. Now tap on the option general. Scroll to bottom. Here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option reset. So here you can see some reset settings, and from the list of settings you have to select the option reset network settings. The second one. Tap on this one. Enter your screen passcode. Then confirm this with the reset network settings. You can see this will reset all network settings, returning them to factory default. Confirm the option with the reset network settings. Now your device will turn off. After a couple of seconds, you can easily restart your device. Actually, this reset is safe. It will not delete any of your personal information like your photos, videos, anything. It will only reset the network settings. So now you can see that our device is restarted. So simply in this way, if you are facing any network problems, so simply in this way you can fix it. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.